Hi there everyone, in this video we're going to be going over Instagram Reels, and if you have any suggestions on any more social media based content you want to send our way, just drop us a message or contact me directly and we can get straight to it. But for today's video we're going to go over Instagram Reels and what to include, what are they, and how we can go about benefiting our businesses and our social media pages and really able to take advantage of the feature that Instagram have given us. And like I said at the start, any questions or any suggestions, just message us directly or message me directly. But before I begin, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also join our free Facebook group as well, Fit Pro Lead Gen with Dave. In there there's a bunch of guides, guest interviews and tons of videos just like this one. So join that Facebook group and let's get started in the video. So this is just going to be a quick one, starting off with what are Instagram Reels. So think of Reels as Instagram's answer to TikTok. What I mean by that is that it's focusing on the micro video type of video. Short clips which are often paired with music and audio that are created by other users or popular songs at the time and trending things, or sometimes don't even need audio at all. These short videos mean that you can pack a bunch of information into the video while getting quick and engaging responses from the users, because the videos are so short and people can just like it, comment it, or head to your profile then from that video. So what can we feature on our Reels? Well, really anything ranging from educational to entertaining. Some examples of how we can tailor this to our business can be along the lines of using the feature to show off videos of clients working out in a gym, or short videos about at-home workouts you can do. This can really act as a platform to generate quick views, which will in turn act as a net for passing viewers. And like I said before, these viewers are going to be scrolling through the Reels. You'll catch them in your net, which is your video, and they'll go on to your social media page from that video then as well. We can also aim to take a more educational approach and offer some free advice such as nutritional habits that help people feel more active in the morning and so on. You've probably seen a bunch of videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everything, of these really short videos, a top 5 this and a top 10 ways of doing something. And these videos really act as a really good engagement generator. People can find these videos, they have this short burst of information with these top 5 tips, top 10 tips, and then they head on to the actual page then for the rest of the content. And then from there then you can promote your services, your products, or whatever you're promoting. One thing to keep in mind though when we're making our Reels is the audio and music. This is, well, by far one of the most important aspects of the video itself, apart from the actual video itself. Whatever is at the top of the most popular sound or music is more than likely the trending sound at the time. And trending means the most eyes on your video. So by using the trending sounds, you can tap into how popular a certain song is or how popular a certain audio is. You can tap into how popular it is and get eyes on your business then. Think of it like a new generation of hashtag. Hashtags are there so you can characterize your business, and anybody who wants to search for personal training hashtags, your business will come up then as a result of that, because you're using the personal training hashtag. If you use a certain sound that is associated with gym work, people will understand that whoever's using this sound goes to the gym or are a PT, fitness professionals. So that's just a quick one. We've gone over what Reels are, how they can be used, and what we can feature on them to ensure they're getting as much engagement as possible. Remember that Instagram offers other features as well, such as IGTV, lives, and of course the regular Instagram feed of posting just regularly. As working with those in conjunction is gonna see the biggest growth in your social media platform. That's all from me today then. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below or message us directly, and join our free Facebook group, Fit Pro Lead Gen with Dave. And subscribe to the channel as well for more videos just like this one. That's all from me. Cheers.